Do you believe that now you can create many VEO3 videos for free and unlimited in one day? And here we will try to learn how you can access VEO 3.1 for free without needing to spend any cost at all, without needing credits, and you can use it unlimited. Let's go straight to the tutorial video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe first. So of course, I become more excited to create interesting content for all of you. Here is the tutorial video. The first thing here is you just search on Google for a site called Opal.Google. Now this site, friends, is still experimental, so you can still use it for free. And this is an official feature from Google itself, friends, so you don't need to be scared or worried. Here I am using a browser on PC, but actually you can also access it for free on your smartphone. Here let's just click on the section Opal.Google. Later the display will look like this, so it is quite simple for the site of Opal.Google. And here there are so many features that you can also use, friends. And of course here, everything you can use for free. So, how does it work? So later here you can enter the input, then it will be generated and will produce the output. But here what's cool is we can create our own application for free. Now first, to use Opal Google, you must log in first. You just click on the sign in section. Now once done, this is the initial display of Opal. Here, let's just click Confirm, and here there are several gallery menus that you can use. So this is like templates that have been used before, and you can just use the templates available here. As an example, there are so many here, friends including social media post, video marketing, and many more, so you can just use the template provided. But how do we make our own application? Like in the video title, we will create an application that can create unlimited VEO3 videos. First, here you just click to create. Later we will be taken to a display like this. So there are several menus. First there is application. Later the application results can be seen here. Then there is an editor menu where we will try to build the application itself. Here there is user input, generate, output, and adding asset. And later the application can be seen on the right side here. Then first we must create an application. But the first application we create is a text-to-video application. To create an application is quite easy. You only need to enter or describe your prompt in the column provided to build the application we want. Here I will just enter a command like this, so I make it short. You don't need to make a long prompt as detailed as possible, because if we make it short, the result will definitely already be better, friends. Now once done here, you can just send it directly and later it will try to be built for the application. So we just wait until the process is finished. Now, as you can see, the prompt has been completed into an application. This is the tool process. Later here, we just enter text. We set the ratio here, and then later the prompt will be turned into a video, will be generated. And later the result can be seen in this section. And the application is already on the right side. So here we can adjust or change again if we want to change the display. As an example here, we want to change the theme. We want to change the color, also possible. And then for the title here, we can change. As an example, I will just change the name like this, and here you can also change the description if you want to change it. Now for the theme, we just click here. Then we can set the theme color according to what we want. As an example, I will just make a combination of two colors. I will just make the color black and pink, and then we just click here. Later it will generate the new theme or template. We just wait until the process is finished. Now it's finished being made. Here you can see a new application has been created. The color is already different, but the name is still the same. Here we can click again in the settings section, and here it is empty. But later you can see the history in this section, friends, for what you have generated. If finished here, we will try to use the application. Now to use it, just click on Start. Then here we can enter the prompt or the command. Now here, friends, you can also upload an image. Yes, if you have a reference, you may. Here, just click to upload from our device. Now we will try to create a VEO3 video. The method is quite easy. You just enter the prompt in this section. So I just make a short prompt like this. Then we will directly send it. Next, we are asked to determine the aspect ratio, whether we want to use landscape or portrait. As an example here, I will make the landscape 1, we just make 16 by 9 and directly send it. Later, it will try to generate, so you can see here the process. This is the thinking process, and later now has entered the process of generating video. Now when it's done, you can see the final result here. This is the video we made, and here there is sound too. Yes. Now if the result is done, you can see in the description section, here there is the description or the prompt earlier, then there is the camera and tone. Now at the bottom, there is already a button to download the video. We click here, then later, the video will be automatically downloaded to your gallery friends. Now next here, we will create another application. Here we can go back first. We go back, and here this is the first application earlier. Then here we will create a second application. So I will create an image generator app, so I just enter the prompt or command, then we send it directly. Now the result of the application is finished. Here you can see the display is quite unique, almost the same as the first application earlier. And here, the method is almost the same. You just click Start. Then you can enter the prompt like this and send it directly. Later, there will be a ratio option. As an example, we will just use 16 by 9 and directly send it. So almost the same process, thinking process first, and then we'll enter the generate process, and later the result will be displayed. And now here is the result of the image according to our request friends. So if we see the image is quite unique, yes, according to the prompt we requested. If you want to download it, you may just download it here, then the image result is finished. Now if finished here, we go back again. Here, we will try to create one more new application. So we click here to create a new one, then here we just enter the command or the prompt. This time we will try to make a Storybook generator application. So later with this application, we will make a children's storybook that we can also download. So here I already have the prompt and we send it directly. Now if done now, the Storybook Creator application is ready. Here we click Start, and here we just enter the theme we want. So here I already have the theme and directly send it. Then there will be a thinking process, then later it will generate the images, then create the illustration, and later the result is ready here. Now the result is done. This is the storybook we just created, and here it made around 6 pages that we can read. So just click Next to read it. Here you can click in the App Feature section to see it overall like this. And if done, this can be downloaded directly. Just click Download File, then the file will be saved to your gallery. Then how to share the link of this application? It's quite easy, you just click Share Application. Here we tick, then later we will be given a link that we can share with our other friends. So it is quite easy to use Google Opal. We copy the link and we just share it. So that's it, friends, the feature of Google Opal, where you can create your own application for free and unlimited, including making free VEO3 videos. See you in my next video.